Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 28 to August 3, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And meron tayong 20% discount sa mga tarot reading services. So, i-check nyo na lang yung calendar. Kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading, hanggang July 31 lang yan. Yung 20% discount. Okay, let's see. Aquarius, what's up for Aquarius? Weekly energies. Overall energy, the Two of Cups. Challenge, Seven of Cups. Opportunity, the Three of Swords. Oh, and the blessing is Ace of Pentacles. Meron ditong confused. Maaring iba sa inyo, you are entering a relationship or you are in a relationship right now na medyo hindi mo na alam kung saan papunta ang connection na to. Pwedeng hindi ka na sure about this person. Ayan. Diba? Bottom of the deck is the Fool. This is also your energy. This is about new beginnings. So kung meron kayong naririnig na maingay na motor, ng kapitbahay namin yan, nagpapainit siya ng motor. As in, like, dalawang bahay after us. Anyway, so the Fool is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new pathways. Iba sa inyo, you are taking a risk. Okay? Nagtitake ka ng risk. Maaring bagong experience to, Ace of Wands. Some of you are relocating. Pwedeng may paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng trabaho, paglipat ng business, anything na na inspired action para sa inyo, na magbibigay sa inyo ng bagong simula na exciting. This is exciting, Aquarius. You have the Seven of Swords, the Oracle of Pentacles. Just be careful if ang papasukin nyo ay related sa pera, investments, okay? Kasi meron dito na tuso na energy. Someone na merong hindi magandang intentions, okay? So, protect your money, protect your resources, or yung iba sa inyo, merong tao na nagte-take advantage of your generosity, nagte-take advantage ng inyong tulong, kabutihan sa kanila. So, try to set boundaries, okay? So, your overall energy is the Two of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, starting a new relationship or you are feeling in love with someone. However, maaring yung person that you're dealing with, siya yung medyo confused. Pwede rin naman, merong taong interested sa inyo or you're connecting with someone romantically and ikaw yung nako-confuse sa feelings mo. Pwede rin papasok ka sa isang agreement, pwedeng agreement sa work, agreement sa business, ayan. And then, yung iba sa inyo, medyo challenging yung situation dahil maraming options no available for you, but you don't know hindi mo alam kung anong best for you. Pwedeng, kasi minsan pag maraming opportunities or options, pagpipilian, mas mahirap, diba, na pumili kasi iisip mo, na makuha yung best para sa'yo. Diba? So, dito na papasok yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo. Ano sa tingin mo will serve you best? Diba? Or will best serve you? Your purpose, your goals. And then, your opportunity, Three of Swords. Maaring may disappointment na ma-experience ka this week, pero ito yung opportunity mo to have that reality check na marirealize mo, teka, tama ba na bigay ka ng bigay? Wala kang boundaries? Kasi dito mo makikita kung sino talaga yung merong good intention sa'yo whether this is family member, romantic partner, friends, or within the community. No? Your blessing is the Ace of Pentacles. There's a new start, a new beginning, especially in your career, finances, or resources. Pwedeng kung kayo ay magsa-start ng isang negosyo, maaring meron pa kayong marireceive na additional money, no? Additional na pera para ipandagdag mo sa kapital mo. Some of you naman, there's a new job na susubukan, papasukin, na you are going to be very excited about. Maaring ito ay in alignment of your goals. So, money, career, finances for Aquarius. You have the Eight of Pentacles, working really hard. You are mastering your craft. May pag-aaral. Pwedeng may training ka sa trabaho, sa business. You have the Ten of Swords as well. So, yung iba rito, maaring merong new beginnings, like a new opportunity for your career or for your business. But, maaring you have to let go of something that is no longer serving you. Example, yung trabaho mo na yan, hindi ka na masaya dyan, or you feel like nasasayang na yung efforts mo kasi hindi na napapansin, or hindi ka na bibigyan ng magandang break sa work. So, you feel like, okay, you have a new opportunity coming in, you might consider that and leave that situation that is no longer serving you. Pwede rin pagdating sa attitude mo towards your money, your finances. May nagbabago. Oo, yung unhealthy habits mo pagdating sa pera ay inaayos mo na. Hindi ka na masyadong gumagastos na hindi mo naman kailangan. At gusto mo ngayon mas makaipon. You are really working towards your money, your resources. Okay, next is love life. The Tower. Oh no. Okay. And then, oh my God. I can't make this up. Alright, so yung iba sa inyo Aquarius, kaya siguro rito may opportunity for breakups. Oo, this is ending, disappointment, may death card ka na, may tower ka pa. So some of you, this is ending, a sudden ending of a relationship connection with someone. Pwedeng romantic or someone that is your friend, pwede rin sa family. Like for example, nag-cut off ka na ng connection, nag-cut off ka ng ties with someone like a friend or family member or romantic partner because you feel na it's no longer working. Hindi na nag-work yung connection na yon, yung relationship na yon. And it's time to let go of that and focus on a new beginning. Okay, tingnan pa natin. Aquarius. Message. O, diba? I can't make this up. Oh my God. Cardinal. Cardinal energy is about new beginnings. Yung baby, it symbolizes new beginnings, new opportunities, new pathways. A fresh start. O, diba? Meron kang fresh start. New phase. Yung iba sa inyo, pwede rin mag-give birth sa anak, sa baby. You have Gavel, so this is about conviction, decisions. Major decision to. Napapasukin nyo, Aquarius. Yung iba sa inyo, this is cutting off connections with your friends or someone na sa tingin mo is no longer serves your highest good. Yung tipong may ganun na may mga nagiging connections, kaibigan tayo na sa una, okay yung relationship, but eventually, na-outgrow natin yung isa't isa. Nag-iiba yung mga priorities and yung belief system. You are very strong, okay? Maaring ngayon, you are focused on having a strong mindset pagdating sa career or sa mga plans mo sa buhay. Oh my God, you have Pluto, which is about rebirth and transformation. Wow. Definitely change. 12th house, this is your subconscious mind. I think iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. You have a lot of realization sa buhay mo about ano yung dapat mong baguhin, ano yung dapat mong i-improve, ano yung dapat i-let go mo na, tanggalin mo na sa buhay mo. At mag-focus ka sa future mo or something that you want to experience moving forward. Your intuition is very important. Listen to your soul's truth, think less, feel more. So malaking tulong sa inyo yung instinct nyo, yung intuition nyo. Yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng guidance. Okay? So feel more. So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.